All right, guys, let's take a quick look at the short sale timeline for the seller when they submit the short sale.
If you want to sell your house very fast for cash, then House Cash In gets the cash flowing.
So the third-party authorization, which is what we start with, typically that'll take anywhere between 24 hours to maybe 5 business days to get processed and authorized on the account. Completing the actual short sale package, the request for mortgage assistance, the hardship, etc. Really, it's going to depend on how cooperative the seller is, but if everything's done in a timely manner, you should be able to have that completed between 1 business day and maybe 7. Lender processing the short sale package, actually looking everything over, making sure it's correct. Now, this is a tricky one. The lender rep will tell you it'll take up to 30 business days because by law, that's what the bank is given. They're allowed to review that package up to 30 days and the offer as well. Now, a good short sale processing company, there's no way they're going to let that happen. A good processing company is going to have the right follow-up systems in place, and they're going to get it done between 5 business days and maybe 10. That's a good range. Listing the property for sale as an as-is listing. Again, it depends on the cooperation from the seller, but it should be able to get done between 1 business day and maybe 3. The realtor should have everything on the market. Preparing the buyer's offer package. Now, it comes to the processor. That takes literally a day. And then you could average around 3 to 7 business days to get the preliminary HUD put together, title pull-down report, and all the rest of the stuff we need for a full offer package to send to the lender. First level lender's review of the offer package. Now remember, the first level review, they're not actually looking at the numbers of the offer. The lender is just checking to make sure all the documentation is there. Then they pass it to the second level review, and at that point, they'll actually review your offer. But the first level review it usually will take between 3 days to maybe 5 business days. Second level lender review is, again, when they actually have the package and it's getting underwritten, the offer. That'll take a little bit longer, maybe between 3 days and 10 business days. Another reminder, it can take up to 30 business days. That's what they're going to tell you. Again, a good short sale processing company with the proper communication systems and follow-up systems in place, not going to let that happen. Short sale approval letter is generated and submitted to the seller. Typically, that'll take between 3 business days and 5 business days with the proper follow-up techniques in place. And then last but not least, the settlement. That'll take anywhere between 30 to 45 days. Worst case scenario, 60, but not usually. A good average, you'll be settled in 30 to 45 days. Typically 45 if it's a financed offer. Cash offers, which a lot of short sales are, you should be good to go in 30 days. Hope that helps, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Have a great day.
If you want to sell your house very fast for cash, then House Cash In gets the cash flowing.